Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about Introduction to R Help. R is a popular programming language and software environment designed for statistical computing and graphics. It is extensively utilized in various fields for analyzing and visualizing data. For instance, businesses employ R to analyze customer behavior patterns to enhance marketing strategies, while researchers apply it to interpret experimental results and create visual representations for publication. Ultimately, R serves as a versatile tool for data analysis and visualization across industries. The help function in R is utilized to retrieve information about functions and packages. By using the syntax help function name, users can access documentation for a specific function. For instance, executing help mean in R provides detailed information about the mean function, including its parameters, usage, and examples. This assists users in comprehending the functionality and application of different functions within R, enhancing their programming capabilities and efficiency. In R, help pages serve as a valuable resource to access comprehensive information about functions, such as usage, arguments, and examples. These pages can be accessed using the help function, followed by the function name within parentheses. For instance, typing help plot provides detailed guidance on the plot function, including how to use it, what arguments it accepts, and examples demonstrating its usage. Moreover, help pages often contain links to related functions and topics, enabling users to explore additional relevant information easily. When working with R, you can refer to online documentation resources like R Documentation and CRAN for comprehensive information on packages and functions, in addition to the built-in help function. For instance, if you want to find details about the mean function in R, you can visit websites such as R Documentation and CRAN and search for the specific function to access detailed documentation. This online documentation serves as a valuable resource for understanding and utilizing different functionalities within R. Learning Introduction to R is like learning how to drive a car. You need to understand the basics before you can start using it effectively. Just like how you need to know how to operate the gas pedal, brakes, and steering wheel in a car, you need to know the basic functions and commands in R to start writing code. As you practice driving more, you become more comfortable and confident behind the wheel. Similarly, the more you practice writing and running code in R, the more proficient you become in using the language. When you encounter a problem while driving, you consult the manual or ask for help. In R, you can refer to R Help or online resources for guides and solutions to coding issues. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The provided code exemplifies basic arithmetic operations in R, akin to driving a car for the first time. First, it sets the initial speed at 60 kilometers per hour and calculates the distance covered in 2 hours. This mirrors understanding the gas pedal and basic actions in R. Subsequently, the code increases the speed by 20 kilometers per hour and recalculates the distance. This showcases the concept of adjusting variables akin to increasing speed while driving. The print function is utilized to display both the initial and updated distances, akin to the car's dashboard, showing valuable information. By drawing parallels with driving a car, the Introduction to R help text highlights the importance of mastering these fundamental arithmetic operations in R. Just as practice makes perfect in driving, consistent practice in R coding enhances proficiency. Encountering coding issues is normal, and resources like R Help are available for guidance and solutions. Feel empowered to run the provided code snippet in your R console to experience firsthand how these basic arithmetic operations function in R. Happy coding! Across the globe, mastering basic arithmetic operations in R can be likened to learning how to drive a car for the first time. Just as understanding the gas pedal and brakes are vital in mastering driving, grasping assignment, multiplication, and addition operations are essential in R coding. By practicing these fundamental operations, you can enhance your proficiency in R coding skills, similar to gaining mastery behind the wheel through practice. Remember to refer to our help or other resources whenever you face coding challenges. Happy coding! Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.